You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. And I'm assuming if you're looking at how to pronounce this name, you're looking at how to pronounce this French name, the name of this French mathematician. There's a distribution, a sequence, theorem, and different things in mathematics that he did. He would pronounce his name Cauchy. His full name, I've got a video if you need to pronounce his full name. Cauchy is the French pronunciation. Now, it may be pronounced differently if it's different name or different meaning than the mathematician, the French mathematician. Cauchy, I guess it could be in Spanish or other languages, but in French, Cauchy. Therefore, you should say Cauchy. Cauchy distribution or Cauchy theorem. Cauchy is how to pronounce it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.